Morning. We just dropped the girls and all their stuff in the cargo, and now there is a RV shop called Autobahn, and I was told that they have water filters and a cassette toilet. So let's have a stroll and see what they have. Looks promising. Alright, these people were very helpful. Autobahn RV down in Invercargill. Got the RV water filter, which is like a carbon filter sort of thing, and it's supposed to get rid of bad taste, odors, sediments, bacteria and chlorine, and much more. Sounds promising. We need a couple adapters, but that should be quite easy to do. Next is the toilet, and there's essentially just one toilet that is in question. I want to do a little bit more research on how exactly we want to fit that in here, take some measurements and see what we can do, and then probably order it. It takes about a week to get here. Alright, we did a lot of planning today, and we went to the shop to get a couple of those to attach to the water filter later, and we did a lot of planning for the fixed toilet, and tomorrow we want to call the checking facilities to double check whether the plan actually works. But now let's drive back to the campsite in Winton, which is a 28-minute drive. Actually, we did decide to quickly have a shower in Splash Squad or something like that. Just a swimming pool thingy, but we'll probably just go for the shower.
The black stuff just came out of the filter.
I said we made plans to fit the toilet in here. So the plan is to have one giant 40-liter wastewater tank and this Aqua Magic Bravura. And the idea is to optimize that space here a little bit. Putting this toilet in and this wastewater tank, we can get rid of this grey water tank. And we want to put the tank just below here because there's nothing in there, nothing really. And behind that there's also wasted space, and on the left side that part here is also kind of wasted. So the idea is to put this giant tank below here. It's about until here-ish, and then because we can get rid of this one, we can move that freshwater tank to the right side and put that trash can just beside it. And then we want to put a board, a bit of timber, plywood or something here, and then remove all this part, this part here and that left part, and put that a little bit to the side and put the toilet in there, and it drains into that wastewater tank. Put another piece of wood up here, maybe with a flap, so we can combine this bench here and that bench here. And then when the toilet needs to be used, that flap can be opened and one can sit just there, do the business, and then flap it back. So that's the idea. A couple of questions are that this thing is usually being used as an outside wastewater tank that you need to put outside every time you go to camp, and then connect it with a hose to the inner system, wastewater system. So we need to figure that out. And the second thing that we need to figure out is the capacity. So this one's 40 liter, and you need to have 24 liter grey water tank and 6 liter wastewater tank. And I wonder if the math just adds those two up and needs to be at least 30 liters. So we've sent that email out to the certification authority. Let's see what they say. We have Friday night, and I don't expect any answers until Monday, and then hopefully order these things and then we can build it all together. And I'm hungry, so let's cook some veggies. So mama, let's try it. It looks actually pretty good, to be honest, for just random veggies and garlic paste. Yeah, I like it. Perfect. Good night.